As someone that recently started investing myself, I took my time to watch multiple investment videos and listen to various advice. But when I began investing, I found that some of the advice being told was, number one, not the actual truth, or they didn't tell the full story. So watch this video to the end if number one, you don't want to make the mistakes I did, you're a beginner investor, or number two, you are currently making those mistakes and you need to stop. The first mistake I made was the 5,000 naira trap. See, if you are watching all these videos, they will tell you with as low as 5K, you can go and invest in the stock market. And yes, that is true. With as low as 5K, thousand naira, you can go and invest in the stock market. But it is not advisable because of the fees. Every time you purchase a stock in the stock market, you are paying fees. So buying 5,000 naira today, buying 5,000 naira tomorrow is not advisable. Rather, if you want to invest, I would advise you to save the money and buy it at once. Rather than buying 5,000 naira today, 5,000 naira tomorrow, you save the money and buy it at once. Save 50K, save 30K and buy it at once as a lump sum. So that when you are seeing the dividends, when you are seeing the profit, it's actually making sense. Because I went to go and buy 5,000 naira stock and I found out that the dividends I received, in fact, the fees I paid covered any profit that was coming out from that stock. The second investment lie that was told to me was the investment will make you rich. See, let me not bust your bubble, but investment will not make you rich except you were already rich. You see somebody, they'll post, I got 800K in dividends. I got 500K in dividends. Ask them how much they invested. They probably invested 8 million naira to get that kind of dividends. See, the truth is that investment increases with time. Over the years, your money adds up. That is true. But it's not going to make you rich. What will make you rich is having a high value skill so that you can invest more in the stock market and get more returns on your investment. The sad truth is that you need money to make money in this life. Investment, yes, can increase over time and is wise to invest. But putting your money in that stock market thinking it will make you rich is just you being delusional. You need money to make more. The third thing that investing influencers fail to do is differentiate between an investor and a trader. See, investment and trading are two different concepts altogether. But you will see someone say they are an investor, but they are behaving like a trader. See, an investor is someone that wants to keep that stock for long term. They want to hold that stock for a very long time, maybe 5 years or even decades. But a trader just wants to hold it for a day or two. And see, knowing whether you're an investor or trader determines the kind of research you will do. It determines what you will look at and determine how you will invest. Truth is that many Nigerian investing influencers, they don't know the difference between investing and trading. When they are talking, they mix the two concepts together. And if you are listening to all these videos, when you start investing, you begin to behave like a trader. See, choosing between investing and trading, it depends on your personality. Me, I chose investing because I prefer something more long-term and I am patient in that aspect. But some people will prefer trading because they want to make their money now. So knowing whether you're an investor or a trader will determine how you behave in the stock market. Fourth lie that they tell you is the passive income lie. That you can just sit and sleep and just invest and sleep and you'll be making money. The truth is that both investing and trading requires active involvement, especially for trading. For trading, trading, check it. Browse itself. It's like a full-time job. You spend it watching market trends, knowing when to buy, when to sell, observing the markets daily. Trading. Investing, you need to take your time and search and research about this stock. See, I'm not boasting, but it takes me, in fact, I'm not even sure it's even something to boast about. It takes me a week plus to research a particular company on whether I want to invest in that company or not. That is the amount of work, amount of research, amount of information I need to download. So it's not passive. You need to be active if you really want to make your money. If you really want to be a good investor and mitigate the losses that you make. Then the last lie you will hear from some of these investing influencers is that I'm not sure if this one is a lie, but I don't like the advice. It's the reason for investing. And they'll tell you that invest in this stock because it's currently going high, people are currently buying, and it's currently being popular, and it's going to make you cool returns in the future. That is not a reason. See, your reason for investing will determine, it depends on whether you are an investor or a trader. See, when the stock is currently high, a trader has no reason to go and buy that stock because a trader's main mission is to buy low and sell high. When you're an investor, going to go and buy a stock when it's high is not a reason. Your reason for buying a stock is that the company has shown that it has a good future potential. It has a potential. So you are going to buy that stock because you believe that this company is going to increase in the next 10 years, in the next 5 years. You believe in that company. So if you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And also, you can recommend any good investing influencer down in the comments below so that people can know the places they can get proper advice. Yeah, love you.